Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed back to Fabletics to try on a whole outfit of light green, bold blue, and dusty gray. Now, I previously had not tried on Fabletics before, but I tried on the white and black tennis dresses recently, and I was so convinced that I wanted to try on a few other items. So I picked up these few items. Now the sizes are variable, so be sure to check those out in the tags. Mostly I did try on, a size extra small, but in some cases they only had a small or a medium. So I did try on some variable sizes. For example, those green shorts in a small. Now let's talk about price point for a second. Overall, things tended to be kind of like $40 to $60, in some cases a little bit more, which I thought was not too much cheaper than the other athleisure brands. So I thought that was interesting. While I really liked some of the offerings, I didn't feel like it was in the same category as like a Lululemon or an Alo. And initially I thought this was kind of overall a little bit cheaper, but when I really thought about it, especially with, some sale items that you can get from Lulu or Alo, it was almost a little bit more expensive in some cases. Now, pricing aside, let's talk a little bit about the overall style. I did feel like they had some interesting designs like this tank. I really liked that it kind of opens up in the back and it was easy breezy. The shorts felt a little bit more flimsy or a little bit more like kind of almost 90s style, like a 90s track runner or, just very lightweight type of cross-country pants. So just keep that in mind. Now, of course, these didn't fit great on me, so that could be contributing to kind of what I feel about the overall style, fit, quality, etc. So take that with a grain of salt. One thing I really did like was all of these kind of hidden pockets. So they put a pocket on the seam, but like on the back seam. If you have like two seams on the side, it was always on the back. So it felt kind of discreet to me, which I'm always looking for when I'm running, because I don't want to call attention to the fact that I like have things in my pocket, or I definitely don't want to feel like I have things in my pocket. So I felt like maybe if it was on the side, it would feel a little bit better. Overall, my favorite look was this green on green. And of course, if you've been following the Fashion Try-On for a bit, you will notice that we love monochrome. Anything that is, in the same color family for a whole outfit is like right up our alley. So this was definitely my favorite. I felt like it was really well made and I felt like it was really well matched. Now, I don't know that I would actually go with this bra underneath because of the additional lines, but you will have to wear something. I just think maybe it would be better off with like a little bit more razor back so it would disappear. Now, next up, where are we going if we do not have a jacket? And of course, let's try back on those shorts that will match. Now, I really did like this gray look. This really spoke to me like a Lululemon type of vibe. It was a little bit oversized, and I believe this one was the extra small, so that kind of surprised me. But overall, I liked the vibe. It gave me kind of like the dance jogger or the dance collection at Lulu vibes. So I was really pleased with that, and I felt like if I needed a jacket like this, I would really like it. I also tried on the pants, and they definitely gave me the Lulu dance jogger vibes. They felt really lightweight, they were not constricting, and I loved all of these extra pockets. I don't know about you, but I just really like pockets lately. Overall, this was really a comfy, cozy look. So, even if you're lounging around the house or if you have errands to run, I thought it was really nice. It also brought me back to kind of like my soccer days where you would have to wear, your warm-up pants on top of your shorts. And as you can see, you never would have noticed that I was wearing the shorts underneath if I hadn't shown you. So overall, I thought this one was a win. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like Fabletics? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to